Alright you guys, so welcome to my beauty room space. So today we are going to be going through and organizing. I'm actually going to be rearranging this entire space, and I was talking with my sister and I was like, let's do this, but I figured I would film it. And also we're going to go through and declutter, get rid of a lot of things. This is literally makeup I need to put away. These organizers that I have over here, so this is why I want to move it, because my backdrop is just like in the middle of my room. I am over here in some nice pajamas, but I want to rearrange all this because this is a setup that I got back in the last video you guys probably seen of me organizing, and I did go with it in the beginning, but lately I've just been throwing things in there, so like this is totally unorganized, so I want to go back through and really organize that. But I feel like in order to do that, I really need to set up my filming area. So I'm thinking I'm gonna move all of this, literally this entire setup right here, to that corner over there, and then have this be my new backdrop right here. So it's just a little bit more clean. I'll change out some of the things on the shelves, but just so it's not as distracting as the clear ones. So I will check in with you guys in a few minutes and we'll see how we are progressing. Even bigger of a mess. Okay, so we went ahead and moved the desk right here. I originally wanted it all the way against the wall, but because I have that TV on the wall here, you could see it. So I'd rather not be able to see it as the backdrop. But it definitely looks nice having the window open because I never open it. So we got this here. Now we're gonna move all the lights, I think, behind there. We're just gonna get Nova to get out of the way. And then clean up, obviously, because it's quite a mess. And then I wanna figure out what I wanna put as this little backdrop here. All right, so we got the desk all set up here with the lights. It's looking like a lot right now, but it's coming together. Now we are going to tackle the actual makeup on the floor and putting everything into these organizers. Progress update. We are starting to look organized. We still have quite a bit to go, but it is happening. Alright, so here is what we are looking like with our new filming setup. So I have a ton more room here. I don't feel as cramped. We do have the window on the sides. We're getting a little bit more light. I think I'm really gonna like this. I'm excited. So I ended up putting my soft boxes right here in the back, but I think because we have the window, we have enough light. I don't know, what do you guys think? And then, so this is where I have just like my regular pink backdrop, but I can actually move this one. And then I'll show you guys, this is gonna be like my new little backdrop. The TV you can't really see in it, which is good. So this is kind of like our new setup, which you guys will see. So here's what it kind of looks like. It's a lot more clean than my last one. I'm thinking I'll get maybe like a tree for over here and just have like a little tree coming up, you know, on the side. I think it's gonna look good. I'm excited. And again, it just feels so much more open. Like I don't feel so enclosed. And then, okay, so this is this side. So I ended up just putting this here. This is where I put all of the new makeup that I'm testing out. So I have this here. I still need to go through it a little bit, but this is what I have so far that I'm still just like kind of testing out. And then that's where I put new makeup when I do get it in. So we have that over there, and then this little area here just with that little thing here. So I have like some sunglasses, my little mini fridge for my skincare, my brush sets over here. And then over here I have a little bit of organization to some sunglasses. Over here we have our closet. Still need to put the paper towels away. And then this light is for my backdrop. I put it like up against it. So the backdrop is in the middle of the floor still, but over here we have our makeup collection still. So we did end up reorganizing these. It's not as organized as I'd like, but they look a lot better than they did. So we have our foundation drawer, we have primer, setting sprays, concealer. So I ended up really like getting it pretty organized. And like I said before, these were all kind of just jammed however I had them. So it definitely looks a lot better than it did for sure. So we have like brow stuff, bronzer, highlights. So yeah, definitely a lot more organized And then in the drawers, we didn't really tackle those too much. This one is my lipstick drawers. This is one of my favorite drawers I have. I love it so much. I did do a little bit in the second drawer right here. I still have this divider right here, which I need to do stuff with. But here I ended up putting like face palettes, more lip products there. And then on this one here, I ended up doing a little bit too with like my smaller palettes, lip liners, and then some more eyeshadow palettes. And then my other palettes are like up here on top of this. I have them all organized here and some in this drawer as well. So that is that. And then this side, I have my little perfume holder. And then this drawer system, I didn't even attempt. It's not clean at all. I need to go through this one. It's pretty much just kind of a mess, but we will save that for another day. We made progress today. I have my little computer station over here. And this kind of looks like a mess with all the lights back there. But here's like a view from this side. Like it definitely just, I don't know, it seems so much more open, which I appreciate. So you guys will have to let me know what you think. I know this was a quick little video. I kind of just wanted to show you guys a little before and after, a little organization. You guys will have to comment down below if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, friends.